What is your favorite place in your town? Hello everyone and welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice, and today we are going to talk about places in a town. Let's start. Bakery, bakery, bakery. Hospital, hospital, hospital. Police station, police station, police station. Fire station, fire station, fire station. School, school, school. Bookshop, bookshop, bookshop. Supermarket, supermarket, supermarket. Music shop, music shop, music shop. Church, church, church. Cinema, cinema, cinema. Can you tell me what it is? It's bakery. Can you tell me what it is? It's police station. Can you tell me what it is? It's school. Can you tell me what it is? It's supermarket. Can you tell me what it is? It's hospital. Can you tell me what it is? It's bookshop. Can you tell me what it is? It's cinema. Can you tell me what it is? It's music shop. Can you tell me what it is? It's fire station. Excellent, good job. I spy with my little eye a hospital. Can you find a hospital? Here it is. I spy with my little eye a school. Can you find a school? Here it is. Good job. I spy with my eye a police station. Can you find a police? Here it is. Good job. Can you find a fire station? Excellent. Good job. I spy with my eye a supermarket. Excellent. Good job. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice, and see you next time. Bye bye for now.